Om Shanti, 14th June 2020. In today's Avyakt Murli, Shiv Baba has talked about the hopes that he is carrying for we children to become perfect and complete. Perfect in terms of actions, behavior, and complete in terms of strength and power. So Shiv Baba has said that your actions and your thoughts has to be parallel. There should not be any variation in what you speak and what you do. There is this word called determination. But Shiv Baba says that determination is merely a word for today's world. There is nothing like determined thought left. Because if the thought was determined, so there was no point of repeating the thought again. If it is determined once, it will remain determined for the entire lifetime. Shiv Baba said that everything that you're reading in Murli, every theory that you're receiving, has to be there in your practical life. Like when this Avyakt Murli has been spoken and delivered by Shiv Baba, so the date was 22nd January 1986. So approximately we completed 50 years. And that's why Baba says that you completed the Silver Jubilee. But no matter if you even completed the Silver Jubilee, but instead you definitely have to become golden aged. That is, you should definitely become the one who deserves to be there in Satyug. Shiv Baba said that your relationships, all your limited relationships, has to be renounced from intellect. Because everything that is limited is going to degrade your mind. There should not be any limitation left in your mind, be it related to any relationship, things, or any achievement, etc. around us. Shiv Baba said that there should not be a sense of remembering Shiv Baba by sitting in a corner. Because remembrance and service has to be simultaneous. There should not be a habit of remembering Shiv Baba by sitting in a corner. Because he is the beloved Godfather. Like Shiv Baba says, Bap Dada, which means we have relationship with the Father. And there is no point of sitting in remembrance for someone whom we love. So Shiv Baba has reminded that. He also said that you are lighthouses and might houses. Shiv Baba never compare we children with any lightning lamp or maybe some earthen lamp, that is diya or deepak. Instead, he always says that you children, my children, are lighthouses and might houses. That is the one who are going to guide everyone. And in the same context, Shiv Baba has given us the title of Atmic Bombs, which means like atomic bombs really have so much capacity to destroy one city or even cause destruction at a very mass or grand level. And similarly Shiv Baba says that the atomic bomb is however very small in size. And similarly the Atmic bomb, they have very subtle size but surely have the capacity to destroy all the sinful acts around and all the sinful habits or anything that is happening sinful in a practical way. Shiv Baba says you should not become warriors. Instead you should become yogis. Shiv Baba is not here to make us a warrior, which means the fight that occurs between the concentration of mind and the habit of distraction. So Shiv Baba says it's important to align your mind in the one Father and thereby become a yogi instead of becoming a warrior. Blessing is to become a master remover of sorrow, but blessing has already been received. But the question that has to be raised is, am I even able to remove sorrow from my individual life? Because once I'm able to remove all sort of sorrow from my individual life, then only I can become the master, bestower or remover, not bestower of salvation, but remover of sorrow for this entire world. Because Shiv Baba said that through drishti, the srishti has to change. Through our visions, our ideologies, our thoughts, the world is waiting to get changed. So this thing has to be considered, that Shiv Baba is here to expect or hope we children to become complete by keeping the special attention. That is, before performing any act, aim to become complete and become a sample. Shiv Baba says you have to become sample by remaining simple. Simple in terms of thoughts, in terms of living standards, life, like Brahma Baba did. Brahma Baba never had an intention of having a luxurious life. He is a true example of what Shiv Baba is here to make every soul. So follow Father. Om Shanti.